Beloved parent, welcome to this sacred space. Before we begin, act now for the child you love. Subscribe to this channel and ring the bell so you never miss a remedy that can shift a young destiny. Share this with a parent whose child struggles in silence. Our mission is to heal, align, and grow. Today, we are aligning a child's mind with divine intelligence. Let us begin. The mind of a child is a sacred garden. Every parent longs for a child who excels, understands quickly, and shines among their peers. But what happens when your child struggles, when memory fails, when teachers shake their heads, and you begin to wonder if something spiritually is blocking their intellect? Beloved, intelligence is spiritual before it is physical. Some children are not dull by nature. They are dulled by invisible forces, ancestral patterns, or simply a missing divine activation. Today, I am releasing an ancient, potent remedy. I have seen it work. Now it is yours. Write this down with reverence. The sacred ingredients. 1. Pure, natural honey, living, golden, carrying the intelligence of nature itself. In the spirit realm, honey draws wisdom as bees draw nectar. 2. 1 fresh pigeon egg. The pigeon carries the energy of focus, direction, and peaceful intelligence. Its egg is a capsule of pure mental potential. Now, the sacred preparation. In a clean vessel, pour a generous amount of pure natural honey. Crack the pigeon egg into it gently, letting no drop be wasted. Now, listen with your whole spirit. You must stir this mixture clockwise, only clockwise, never counterclockwise. Clockwise follows the path of the sun. It builds, activates, and awakens. With each clockwise turn, you summon mental clarity, sharpness, and brilliance into your child's mind. But hear this warning. If you stir counterclockwise, you reverse the divine flow. It undoes, unravels, and diminishes. The ancients warned that counterclockwise stirring will not only fail, it will actively dull the child's mind. The child will become dumber than turtle. This is spiritual law. Do not test it. Stir only with the sun, always clockwise. As you stir, speak life over the mixture. Divine intelligence, I awaken you now. Sharp mind, I summon you. Confusion, I banish you. Dullness, I break your hold. My child rises into brilliance in the name of the Most High. The morning ritual. Every morning, before your child eats anything else, give them a small spoonful of this sacred blend. Let it be the first thing entering their mouth, consecrating their mind for the day. Be consistent. Do not skip. Watch as teachers notice a change. Watch as memory sharpens and focus settles upon them like a dove. And when transformation comes, give thanks. Gratitude seals the blessing. Your faith must now act. Like this video as a spiritual seal upon this work. Comment with authority. Intelligence is my child's birthright. I stir clockwise. Brilliance is unlocked. Subscribe now and turn on the bell. Share this with a parent whose child has been written off by the world. You may be handing them the key to a destiny. We are here to heal blocked minds, align our children with divine brilliance, and grow a generation of unstoppable souls. Stir wisely, stir clockwise, and watch your child rise.